So this is something I cobbled together. It's like the Wheel Doctor by a company that's no longer producing them. So I made my own. A little bit of Mabuchi motor that came out of something. I don't know, a cordless drill, a VCR, some of the spare parts. I took some threaded rod that fit inside of a vacuum line, chucked it up in a drill press. I mean, actually just a hand drill, a power drill. And I turned ends down smooth on a file, chucked in a vise, and just using an old postage stamp trains, an old Aurora, the same people who made slot cars back in the 60s and 70s, transformer I inherited from my late uncle. So the kind of noisy to use as an auxiliary power supply for the layout, but for something like this, it works just great. So allows you to do some variable speed, and you don't have to worry about batteries. So that's today's project. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye. To also add is that these are reversible. So if you really felt you had the need to scour, you could do so like so. And I had the thought, when you start looking at these pieces, if you cut the yellow off or you dyed it, that sure looks a lot like the hedgerows that they sell. Just a thought. Happy model railroading.